As a paralegal, we deal with the legal, compliance and governance side of things at Nandina. So other than the review of contracts, NDAs and all the legal documents, we're also trying to build structure within the legal compliance and governance side of things, pulling all the information from different parts of the company so that we have a centralized knowledge management system. We're also doing a lot of work in IP at the moment. Essentially what attracted me is the real kind of hands-on opportunities that I get here as a paralegal that I would not necessarily do in other settings. And really the opportunity of exploring the aviation industry and kind of ties in with my interests in sustainability. I did a lot of work in sustainable finance when I was at university, so it was a good kind of continuation from that. So Nandina means opportunities to me, opportunities to really build a sustainable future, not just in the aviation sector, but in general redesigning how we think about the manufacturing industry. But it's also opportunities to work for a female-founded company, which is obviously very inspiring for me. So the motto I live by is, if you want something, go get it, regardless of external pressures or things that other people want you to do or would want you to be. Just really try to be who you want to be and do what you want to do. Other than work, I'm really passionate about volunteering and just using my time to give back to the community. I'm also involved with women's charities trying to educate women on different forms of abuses. I'm currently a mentor for a mentoring program that has been designed by my former university to get law students into law firms and build a career out of what they are studying at the moment.